The world outside is a blinding whiteout. Snow falls in furious sheets, wind howling as your car suddenly loses grip and slides off the road, coming to rest in a deep drift. Silence. The blizzard quickly buries your vehicle, transforming it into a cold metal tomb. You're stranded. The windows reveal only a wall of white. This scenario unfolds every winter, on lonely roads and busy highways alike. The immediate threat isn't just the cold, it's a series of hidden dangers inside your car. Survival begins now. The choices you make in these first hours are critical. A cracked window or a cleared exhaust pipe can mean the difference between life and death. Stories like Peter Rigney's, surviving 9 days in a snow-buried car, prove that knowledge and willpower are your greatest assets. For every survivor, there are cautionary tales of fatal mistakes. This guide will show you the essential steps to turn a potential tragedy into a story of resilience. First, you must face your most powerful adversary, your own fear. Let's begin. The shock is overwhelming. Your heart races, panic surges, and instinct screams to act. But panic is your enemy. It clouds judgment and wastes energy. The first act of survival is mental. Force yourself to be still. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold for 4. Exhale through your mouth. Repeat. This box breathing calms your mind and restores control. Now assess your resources. Check your pockets, glove compartment, boot. Every item, a snack, water, blanket, phone, could be a lifeline. Note your fuel level and the time. Transform dread into a manageable problem. Your mind is your most important tool. Panic says you're helpless. Knowledge proves otherwise. By conquering fear, you've won the first battle. Now, turn your attention to a silent, invisible threat that may already be building carbon monoxide. Stay calm. Think clearly. Survival is a puzzle. Solve it step by step. With calm restored, focus on a danger you can't see or smell. Carbon monoxide. If snow blocks your car's exhaust, deadly fumes can seep inside. Before running the engine for heat, clear the tailpipe completely. Dig out the snow, check it regularly. Even with a clear exhaust, crack a window slightly on the side away from the wind. This tiny gap allows fresh air in and lets dangerous gases escape. It may feel counterintuitive to let in cold, but it's essential for survival. Think of your car as a breathing organism. It must inhale and exhale. Many survival stories hinge on this single act. Neglect it, and the situation can turn fatal fast. With air managed, your next battle is against the relentless cold. Prepare to ration your warmth and fuel. Every action now is about balance. Let's make your car a safe haven. The cold is relentless, but your car's heater is a powerful ally if used wisely. Never run the engine continuously. Follow the 10-minute rule. Run the engine and heater for 10 minutes every hour. Use this time to charge your phone, listen for updates, and boost morale. After 10 minutes, turn off the engine to conserve fuel and reduce risk. A full tank can last days if rationed. During the 50 minutes of silence, focus on preserving the warmth you've generated. Each cycle of heat and cold is a disciplined dance with the elements. Treat your fuel like a limited bank account. Make every withdrawal count. The next step, lock in that precious warmth. Your survival depends on it. Let's turn your car into a true shelter. When the engine is off, preserving warmth is critical. Your car is a poor insulator. Improve it with anything you can find. Use floor mats to block windows. Stuff gaps with newspapers, bags, or spare clothes. If you have a survival blanket, wrap it around yourself. Otherwise, use coats or seat covers. Huddle together if you're not alone. Shared body heat is powerful. Confine yourselves to the smallest space possible. Keep moving. Wiggle fingers and toes. Shift positions to maintain circulation. Avoid deep sleep when it's coldest. The snow outside, ironically, insulates your car like an igloo. You've created a micro-environment of warmth and safety. But soon your body will demand water. Dehydration is a hidden threat, even in the cold. Never eat snow directly. It lowers your core temperature dangerously. Melt snow during your 10-minute heating window. Use any container, bottle, cup, even a hubcap. Pack it with clean white snow and place it near the heater vent. Once you have a little water, add more snow to speed up melting. Sip water slowly and ration it carefully. This simple process is a lifeline. Your ability to create water from snow puts you ahead of history's tragedies. Stay hydrated, stay alert. But as time passes, the urge to leave your shelter may grow. As hours pass, you may be tempted to walk for help. Unless you see a clear, nearby source of help, stay put. Outside, whiteout conditions can disorient you instantly. The snow is exhausting, the cold deadly. Your car is your best chance. It's shelter, heat, water, and a visible target for rescuers. History is filled with tragedies from those who left their vehicles. Patience is your shield. Trust that help will come. Focus on staying alive until rescue arrives. Don't go searching. Bring rescue to you. Next, make your presence known. Don't wait passively. Signal for help. In daylight, tie anything bright to your car's aerial or roof. At night, flash your headlights or hazard lights in bursts of 3, the universal distress signal. Use your horn in the same pattern. Conserve your battery, but signal periodically, especially if you hear engines or aircraft. Use your phone's torch or strobe if available. If you get a signal, call emergency services with your location and details. Rescue teams look for any sign of life. Make your car a beacon. Every clue you provide increases your chances. You're not just waiting, you're calling for help. Now, let's summarize the rules for survival. We've faced panic, poison, cold, thirst, and the lure of the wild. Survival comes down to a simple code. Stay calm and stay with your vehicle. Clear the exhaust and crack a window before running the engine. Run the heater for 10 minutes per hour to conserve fuel. Insulate your shelter and huddle for warmth. Melt snow for water. Never eat it frozen. Signal for help with bright colours, lights and sounds. Prepare a winter kit. blankets, food, water container, first aid, torch, shovel. Tell someone your route before you travel. Share this knowledge. Preparedness saves lives. With knowledge and preparation, you can face the storm and endure. Before you go, don't forget, preparedness isn't just a one-time lesson. It's a way of life. If you found these survival tips helpful, subscribe now for more practical advice and life-saving strategies. Click the button below, tap the bell icon, and join our community of smart, ready drivers. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next video.